Common locations of skin tears. Upper body, trunk 48%. Lower body, if you like, is 52%. Now again, I don't know about yourselves, and I don't know exactly where you work, but I work in the community now and mental health. I would suggest the most skin tears that I tend to see tend to be on their arms, if I'm honest. Yes, you do see a few on the legs where they've had that trip-slip accident as well and caught it on. I'll tell you what is really bad. You know, when coffee tables are at such a dangerous height, and for elderly people, unless I suppose the Zimmer frame protects them, but if they're walking freely, them corner of blooming coffee tables, it's effectively the same as I did moving my daughter and my mate the other day with the tail lift. It was just at the height, right on my pre-tibial area. And I thought, before I get a hematoma and a skin tear here, these compressions going on.